Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today we will be making a quick and easy chicken starter. And you know what? You don't need to be a chef to make this recipe. For making the chicken teriyaki, we will be making a base sauce first. For that we will be needing some soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, some grated ginger and some freshly crushed garlic. I'm going to add some chili flakes for some additional heat, but this is totally optional. Let's give it a good whisk. Sauce is ready. Let's set this aside. Once the pan is nice and hot, we'll add the oil. The oil is hot, we'll add the boneless chicken pieces, pepper powder and some salt. Let's mix this well. We will now cover the chicken and let it cook for another 5 to 8 minutes till it turns slightly brown. It's been 8 minutes. Let's check on the chicken. It looks nice and brown. It's time now to add the prepared sauce. Let's add the sauce. Mix it well. We need to cook the chicken in the sauce till the sauce thickens a bit. Once the sauce thickens, it will start coating the chicken and it will give it a very beautiful glaze. As you can see, the sauce has coated all the chicken pieces so well, and look at that beautiful glaze. It's time now to plate the chicken. Let's garnish this with some sesame seeds and some spring onions.